Let's unbox these Apple AirTags together. Turn it to the back and peel the green sticky. From there, take the box out, and this is what it looks like when you open it. You can see that there are 4 AirTags as well as instructions on the inside. Take the AirTag and you set them up one by one. There's a clear covering that you can pull off, and then to activate the battery, turn it a little bit to the side to pull out that tab. From there, you'll hear a few clicks. You know you're good to go. Next step is pairing it with your phone. If you have on Bluetooth, 2-factor authentication, and Find My, it'll connect automatically, and you just follow the steps on the screen to finish getting set up. Now, attach it to your luggage, your keys, what have you, and you're good to go. No more losing your things. Enjoy!